Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Ngayon this is the last or the part 3 vlog of our Baguio trip. In this video, pupunta po kami sa The Mansion, Wright Park at uuwi na po kami sa Herona. Sasakay po ng Victory Liner. Ito siya, breakfast hall ng Hotel Tugos. Breakfast buffet siya. Dati, nung 2 years ago, is pinag-room service lang kami. Nagpahinga, naligo at nag-breakfast na kami. Ngayon is mag-check out na kami at in-direction na kami sa bus terminal ng Victory Liner. Yun yung sasakyan namin, bus company pa uwi or mamamasyal pa kami. Ito yung The Mansion. Nasa loob po ako ng The Mansion. Here is The Mansion in my right side. In my left side, ito siya. Wright Park naman kami pupunta. Galing kaming Wright Park. Ngayon is we're here in the Victory Liner terminal here in Baguio. We will wait for our bus. Pauwi, nag-advance booking na kami kapot ng Victory Liner. 3:30 po yung oras ng bus namin. Ayan na, nakasakay na ako ng bus. Biyaheng Olongapo dahil dumadaan siya sa Herona. We will see you later. Also beside our bus, you can see right here, it is the Royal Class of Victory Liner. Ito siya, Royal Class. May mga kama siya. Sleeper bus siya.
One eternity later.
Nag-stop over na po yung bus namin dito sa Season Victory Liner bus stop over. This will end my vlog here. We'll see you soon. Bye!